To achieve that effect, record an empty clip where you want to start the jump, and also record a clip where you jumped. All right, something like this. So on the landing side, you have to record an empty clip too before you show yourself jumping, and then record another clip where you are jumping as if you want to land. Okay, so something like this too. So when you have those 4 recordings, import them into CapCut. Okay, just select them and import them. Do the necessary cutting, cut out sections you don't need, and only have the empty clip where you want to jump like this, and then the clip where you jumped. Okay, and then on the other landing side, an empty clip of where you want to land, and the clip of you landing. So those 4 clips are what we are working with. So now for the jumping side, after you have trimmed out the jumping clip, remove the background. Okay, we have to remove the background and place it on that empty clip. So that's what we're about to do now. Select the clip and then look for remove background. You can see remove BG. So just use auto remover, or you can use custom, whichever you want to do. So just ensure you remove the background. So after removing the background, click OK. Then click OK. Then look for overlay. While the jumping clip is selected, tap on overlay. Once you tap on overlay, that's your jumping clip will now be on that empty clip like this. Drag it under, so it will be on it like this. So the essence of this is so that you can resize the jumping clip without the background, you understand, so you can control the movement and the scale and everything. So just go to the end, to the beginning of the jump when you have left the ground, something like this. Yes, yeah, something like this at this point. Then that's all we need. So from that point, you now start adding keyframes, and you'll be resizing your body, and you'll be moving it up as if it's jumping. So add keyframes there on that first point where you are away from the ground. So you move up, you move to the right a little, you rescale it, make it smaller, and drag it up as if you are going up. When you are jumping up, your size will be becoming smaller. So you resize it, just pinch it to make it smaller and drag it up as if you are going up. You understand? You can see you do it as if you are flying up, something like that, at every keyframe. So just be adjusting it, adjust the size, drag it up as if you are jumping up like a Superman. All right, so you move up again, so you resize it. As you resize it, it will give it another keyframe by itself. You move it up like that again, and I think I can do one more. Just resize it and then drag it up. Yeah, so you can see how it is now. It goes up like that. So we are done with the jumping side. So let's work on the landing side now. So the same thing on the landing side, just edit the empty shot first, cut out sections you don't need. So just look for a good side. And then also for the landing side, when you are in the air, the height of it, when you are in the air, that is where we will start the editing from. So just look for where you jumped and you are still in the air. So cut that section, remove the background. Yes, and as usual, make it overflow. Overlay. Apply the overlay effect. So you bring it down so that it will be on top of the background, the empty background. Okay. The reason why we are removing background, if you are using that clip with background and you are resizing it, the background too will be resizing. So that's why we need a separate background. So select the landing clip and resize it to be small. Take it up as if you want to land from up. So add the keyframe and then be resizing it, be making it bigger and be bringing it close. Okay. So once you make it bigger, it will look as if it's coming down, and you reposition it well. Okay, as you can see, just reposition it well and bring it down. Ensure that the landing side, it should be on ground already. So just position it properly. Yes, at this point I'm already on the ground, so I should bring it down to the ground like that. Yeah, so I think that's it. So just cut out all the excesses and you have it. Okay, so just go ahead and cut out the other parts that are remaining. Add some other effects that you want, like the thunder effect, and you have something like this. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. If you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section. Please help me share this video so that others can benefit from this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with another guide very soon. Bye for now.